Welcome back to my final more report analysis video of today, Wednesday the 29th of June, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's have a look at gold, and there is this breakout on gold that's actually tested the breakout level 1306 and held that overnight, and the gains today around about $10 up on the day. 1320. So you're holding on to this breakout, so that is a positive move, certainly. And I think gold, generally speaking, is a positive chart now, because, I mean, just taking a step back and looking at the safe haven flow from the Brexit decision, and also the fact that the likelihood is that the Fed is now going to sort of push out its prospects of a rate hike to next year. So that is supportive of gold generally. And that is seen on this chart, which has found support at 1306. I'm not sort of ruling out a near-term correction, because if you look at this hourly chart, you can see the support at 1306. If that breaks on a closing basis, I think that sort of completes a small top pattern, and then brings you back down to sort of like the mid 1270s area, which is perfectly possible as a sort of a corrective area. And as I said yesterday, 1277 is this bang on a pivot line, and that is actually the measurement of this top pattern. So you could see a correction back to that level in the near term. I think medium to longer term, I still think I'm now of the belief that gold is a more positive chart, and I think little corrections will be bought into. But for now, we are still holding, and that breakout is holding, so that's a positive move. So you're sort of looking out, so more likely for a bit of a trading range, possibly near term, as this one plays out. So you'd look at initial resistance 1329.50, and then 1335.30. 1335.30 being Monday's reaction high. But yeah, you've seen this, as I said, this sort of reaction of up from the one of 1305.20, which is sort of $15. So it's not a bad rally, but will it continue high? I don't necessarily think the momentum in this rally is all that great. So I'd sort of be looking out for this to turn into a bit of a trading range, possibly. But if it does break down, I think you could see it, as I said, a correction back into sort of the mid 1270s area. But as I said, I think ultimately that would be a near-term move before a medium to longer-term sort of rally takes hold once again, because I think that all these indicators on this chart would suggest now that the medium to longer-term outlook is still pretty strong, having broken out above that 1306 level. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.